Hey guys. Oh wow, I look so natural. Anywho, y'all, have so much to do today. It's Monday after work and I am getting straight to work. I have so many BerryFae beauty orders to package. I launched my new lip glosses today, December 13th, which I need to make note of. But yeah, I'm about to package the orders that I have right now and then do the other ones later, because there's two separate kinds of orders that I'm packaging. So about to do all that. Let me get my iPad. Now all the packaging slips first. I have new packages. Let me show you guys what I got from Amazon while I'm printing these things out. This is the new holiday packages. I got pink snowflake ones. They're pink little snowflakes. Got these from Amazon. It's 100 pieces for like 20 bucks maybe. I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but we're gonna get to it. How's my iPad on 1%? This is why we triple check, because I just got two of the same ones and that's not what she wanted. Delight Mocha Caramel. Stickers. These little melanin stickers come with each order. There's just so many different kinds. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Yep, and it was good.
What kind of chicken?
I had chicken grill.
Bro. Oh, that was good.
Girl, it was bust.
You got extra. You got chicken in the fridge or no?
I got some chicken, but okay, and nothing to eat it with though, because I didn't make any waffles.
Yeah, might as well.
We're only gonna do one more after this. I'm gonna do the bubble gum, because the bubble gum be hit. Which one? Alright, so this one I want you to look at up. Like, can you do it without looking at the box?
Yes and no.
Alright, so look like straight at me. Sass me, sass me. Okay. Do your top lip like kind of like. Look. Now I want you to do it. You putting it on again on video, like you holding it, like yeah, like this.
This girl.
Serious.
Okay. Hey YouTube. Fish fillet here.
Go. Oh, I thought you were recording. That was kind of cute.
Wait, you said record me putting it on, right? Like just swishing it?
Yeah, like you like just.
Okay.
Cute. So one more video out of cinematic. Last one. Bubblegum in a dish.
It's pink, right?
Huh?
It's pink.
Yeah.
Smells good.
Right? That might smell like scrubbers.
All the